Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can clear history on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear your history on Spotify, firstly open your Spotify application. The homepage of Spotify will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and then click on settings and privacy option. Scroll down and tap on clear cache. Confirm clearing your cache by tapping on clear cache once again. Now all you need to do is open your settings application. Scroll down and tap on apps. Click on app management. Search for Spotify and tap on it. Click on storage uses and clear your cache as well as Spotify data by tapping on clear data and clear cache option. This is how you can clear history on Spotify quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.